Hello friends, good morning. Today our topic is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. In this topic, first at all we understand example A B. This is a single reactant which is breakdown by heat and form a new product as a simple product or molecules. I mean, AB is a single reactant, gain heat, after then break down and form a new product AB or A simple molecules. This is called decomposition reaction. By this, we can define the definition of decomposition reaction. It is a very simple definition: breaking of compound into two simple molecules is called decomposition reaction. This reaction just opposite of a combination reaction. A plus B, A plus B, here is a simple molecules. These molecules are combined or combination and form a new product AB. This is called combination reaction. So decomposition is just opposite of a combination reaction. The composition reaction, the decomposition reaction are mainly three types. These reaction are basically three types, such as number one, thermal decomposition reaction. Second is electrolysis, and third is photoanalysis. There are three types of decomposition reaction. First at all, we discuss on thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction in which reaction or the decomposition of a compound by heat. Decomposition of a compound by heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. For this example, CaCO3, calcium carbonate or limestone, calcium carbonate or limestone get heat and decompose in similarly calcium oxide, quicklime and carbon dioxide gas, which is used in manufacturing of cement. Here we can see another example of thermal decomposition reaction. Here we see activity 1.5, page number 8. Ferrous sulfate, ferrous sulfate which color is green and its get heat after then we observe that ferrous sulfate, which is a crystal form and color is green, break down in simpler product Fe2O3, ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide gas and sulfur trioxide gas. Ferrous sulfate, which is a color in green and its formula is FeSO4.7H2O. Due to crystal water present in this, so when we heated here, he break down in ferric acid and change in color, change in color and form a ferric oxide with sulfur dioxide and trioxide. It is the second best example of the decomposition reaction. And now we hear another activity 1.6 and page number 8. When we heat lead nitrate powder PbNO3 whole twice, lead nitrate PbNO3 whole twice, which is in solid form. When we heat this compound is break down and produce a simple molecules of PbO in solid form, lead oxide with nitrogen dioxide gas and oxygen gas. Nitrogen dioxide gas is emission of brown fumes. This is our third example. Now we discuss on the electrolysis combination reaction. Electrolysis decomposition, decomposition reaction. Electrolysis, you guess with name electrolysis, a compound which is decomposition by electronic current. Which compound is decomposition by electronic current? It is called electrolysis decomposition reaction. Here we try to understand with example. For this we separate a apparatus. This is electrode, test tube, battery, cathode, anode, and full of the water in test tube. He We observe here twice H2O decomposed by electric current and form a new product, twice H2 gas and O2 gas. H2 gas present on cathode and O2 gas present on anode. In this activity, we find the collection of the gases are different, which ratio is 2:1. I mean ratio is 2 and oxygen ratio is 1. So, always hydrogen gas found in double quantity. So, this is the best example of the electrolysis decomposition reaction analysis of water. Now we write here the definition of decomposition reaction. Definition of electrolysis decomposition reaction. Decomposition of a compound by electricity is called electrolysis. Now we discuss on our third category of the decomposition reaction, photoanalysis. For this, we take activity 1.8, page number 9 in the NCRT book. We take some powder of AgCl, silver chloride, which is in solid form. We put this powder in a dish in the sunlight. After some time, silver silver chloride, which is white in color, this compound break down in the presence of sunlight and form a new product, silver metal and chlorine gas. Silver metal and chlorine gas, which is in solid form, and its color is gray. Here we observe silver chloride, which is in white powder. After some time in the presence of sunlight, they convert in the silver metals, which color is gray. Here take place chemical reaction, which name is photoanalysis. Due to this reaction, complete in the sunlight. So this is called photoanalysis decomposition reaction. By this, we can write here the definition of the decomposition reaction of photoanalysis. Definition decomposition of a compound by observing sunlight or radiation is called photoanalysis decomposition reaction. Here always notice that all analysis या or analytical reaction are decomposition reaction, but all decomposition reaction are not analytical. According all the types of decomposition reaction with their definition and example, we can easily solve question number 12 in textbook, page number 16. What are the decomposition reaction? Give any three example of different decomposition reaction